Everybody, Larry from MarineMax in Jacksonville here, and today I want to show you this beautiful 2020 36 Yellowfin. This is a beautiful boat. It's meticulously maintained. It's in excellent condition. We're going to point out some highlights. You've got to see this vessel. This boat is powered by triple 400 horsepower L6 Verados, known for their reliability, fuel efficiency, and power. In traditional Yellowfin style, we've got a transom live well here. This also has a custom set of tuna tubes that drop in, which we're going to show you a little bit later. Second live well in the leaning post. As you can see, the helm is fully equipped with Garmin electronics, including an open array radar. We've got a low light night vision camera on board as well, VHF radio, phone charger, an incredible sound system on this boat, and a really nice, comfortable helm. Take a look at this upholstery. It's all brand new and has not been fished or in the water since it's been installed. The owners have taken exceptional care of this vessel. We've got a three-piece panel enclosure for the windshield, as well as gull wings, which are kept indoors. This boat is stored indoors in an air-conditioned facility. We're going to show you that as well. You're going to be absolutely amazed at how well this boat is taken care of. Let's move forward and show off some of the highlights of this boat. The huge storage area inside the console here. This boat is equipped with a couple extras that a lot of Yellowfins do not have. One is a Seakeeper 3 system. That's a gyro stabilizer system. It was just installed. It has warranty through 2029 on the Seakeeper, and we have a brand new power pole move trolling motor, also on a 72 amp hour lithium battery. We've got an AC and DC charging system in this boat, so when you're at home, you plug it in, you're charging all the batteries on the boat, and when you're offshore and you're running, your engines will charge through to the Seakeeper, also to the trolling motor. All your batteries are topped off. It's an exceptional electronic system. You'll also see this boat's got fresh and saltwater washdowns, conveniently located midship, so you can wash down the bow or the stern of the boat at any time. And for us king fishermen, wahoo fishermen, you know you've got this flush level deck. We can come all the way up to the bow, chase down fish. It's really an incredible vessel. There's no other Yellowfin on the market that looks and feels like this boat. It is exceptional. Give me a call at 904-545-5310 for a private showing today. Thank you.